Hello, friends, and hi to my girlies. You know that thing that they call patience? You will need that patience. I mean, you will need so much patience when it comes to working on this extension to get a full hair, but the end results will make it worth the the stress. So I went in for a hanger, and then I went in for my plier. I cut two sides of it to get this small tiny metal I have here, and then I went in for my hair extension. I wanted something very tiny because I wanted the curls to be very small, and I took a very small amount of the extension. I think this is even bigger, but depending on the size of the Yankee twist that you want, if you want it very small, it means that you need to go in for a very small amount of the extension. Then you use your tie to tie the ends of the iron metal. I did this to secure the ends. The metal is very slippery, so to secure my hair, I just tied the hair around the hair. I tied the band around the hair and then started doing the twisting or wrapping it around the metal too. After that, I poured hot water on that. Then I wait for it to dry out very dry so that the curls will be defined. Then I started braiding.
Convince myself to run around with someone else to forget about you, but I keep taking the same route and look at your view. I lied to myself every night, paid it off. If I only knew that you were playing, crying in your bed the same way I do. 'Cause I miss you. All is blue. I should've known how to keep you close, but I won't. And I miss you. Through the blue, I should've known that you were all gone, but I won't. I wear your shirt in this dark room, feel your skin and it's a hard truth. I can't stop cursing your damn name, 'cause I know you do. And I can't swear in every tear. There's a part of you I can't let go. I never moved on, I was waiting for you to come. 'Cause I miss you. All is blue. I should've known.
When it comes to the braiding, you braid it very loosely by pushing the thumb of your hand upward. After you twist, let's say 2 or 3, then you push your thumb upward. Then you keep doing that, repeating that process till you know that you always have this curvy look. So every 3 braid, you push your thumb up.
'Cause I miss you, can't hate you. I'm hoping for you to feel the same way I do. 'Cause I miss you, lied to you. I didn't know how to keep it cold, now you won't. And I miss you. Through the blue, I didn't know that you were all gone. Oh no, no. Convince myself to run around with someone else to